Be honest, how many hours have you lost inside Canva staring at fonts, moving elements around, second guessing if your graphic even looks good, only to finally post it and wonder if it's even on brand? Here's the truth. Creating consistent, professional looking graphics doesn't have to be that hard, even if you're not a designer. What if you could create scroll stopping visuals in minutes that instantly look like your brand? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, a simple, repeatable system to save you hours of design time, finally feel consistent with your branding, and actually enjoy creating your content. So first you want to gather your brand elements. So think of this as your design toolbox. You want to have your logo, watermarks, all your brand colors, and fonts all in one place. And don't forget about your imagery. It's going to play a huge role in making your brand instantly recognizable. And if you're a Hot Stock member, you can easily curate a set of on-brand images from our library, download them, and then upload them into different Canva folders so that they're always at your fingertips. That way, you're not wasting time scrolling through random stock sites every time you need a photo to create a design. A pro tip is to create a simple brand style guide. I'm going to link our free one below. It's like a cheat sheet that keeps you or anyone on your team designing consistently by having a guideline that they can always refer back to with all of your design elements and any style rules that you want them to stick to. Next is setting up your Canva Brand Kit. You want to upload your brand colors, any custom or purchase fonts, or you can choose to set your fonts from the fonts that are available in Canva. Then you'll want to upload all your logos to your brand kit. A tip is to upload your logos as a PNG with a transparent background so you can overlay it onto any design without a white background. Then you'll want to organize your stock photos and graphic elements into folders so you're not wasting time hunting them down. Being organized from the beginning is going to save you a ton of time and make it that much easier to stay on brand because everything is right there for you when you're ready to design. There's also some amazing features you can do with Canva once this is set up to change designs to your brand aesthetic in one click, which I'm going to show you in the next part. Next, you can start the design process. Now, here's where you're going to save serious time if you start with templates, but not just any template. Choosing the right one up front makes customizing so much faster and makes sure the end result actually fits your brand. Here are two things that you can look for. Number one is the overall vibe. Don't worry about the colors yet. Focus on the design aesthetic. Does that layout feel similar to your brand style? Does it feel clean and modern? Maybe it's more feminine and elegant, or bold and vibrant. Next is to consider your content and platform. So ask yourself, where am I using this and what am I saying? So look for layouts that support your content, whether it's a quote, a carousel, or a promo post, and that are designed for the platform you'll be posting on. So maybe you're creating a blog post or an email, or maybe you're creating a carousel for Instagram. And a pro tip, don't scroll endlessly. You can quickly search Hotstock's designer templates to find something that matches your needs. And if you're using Canva templates, you can also search for options here. Once you've picked your template, it's time to make it yours. So you can choose to use the Canva's shuffle effect. You can continue to click on the button to shuffle through different combinations that they've created specifically for your brand, or change colors manually now that you have your brand colors saved. Think about swapping light backgrounds for your light brand colors and then the dark accents or bold accents with your darker or bolder colors. That way the design stays balanced. And then update your fonts by swapping in your brand headers and body copy styles, but keep the overall layout intact so that you don't have to redesign from scratch. So headers should be headers, and then the body copy should be your body copy font. With just a few clicks, you've got a graphic that looks like your brand without spending hours tweaking every single little detail. The next system that's going to save you time creating content is learning how to repurpose like a pro. Do you have a blog post, a podcast episode, or maybe a YouTube video? These are all perfect for repurposing. Break that long form content into smaller graphics for social posts, reels, or even email graphics. For example, maybe there's a very useful tip or hot take featured in your long form content that you can highlight into a single post. Then use Canva's resize tool to instantly adapt one design into all the sizes that you need so that you're marketing your content across all your platforms. Why reinvent the wheel when you can spin one graphic into 3? And lastly, consistency doesn't mean constant reinvention. Once you land on designs that you love and the style resonates with your brand, reuse them. Make a few small variations and create a suite of go-to templates. Blog post templates, Instagram carousel templates, testimonial templates, and so on, so that you always have a base design that you can start from. Now, instead of staring at a blank Canva page, you're just plugging in fresh copy and images, done in minutes. This will also make this style recognizable to your brand. So focus on finding new layouts maybe every few months rather than every single post. So to summarize your simple, repeatable design system, you want to start with gathering all your design elements into one place. Next, you can set up your Canva Brand Kit with your logos, colors, fonts, and visuals. Then you can start designing, starting with relevant high-end templates like hot stocks. Next up, you'll want to take all your long-form content and repurpose it into smaller bite-sized bits that you can share on all your platforms. And then lastly, you can create a bank of on-brand templates that you can reuse for your future designs. If you're thinking this would save me so much time, you're right. And that's exactly why we created the Hot Stock membership. Inside, you'll get instant access to thousands of styled stock photos, curated stock videos, time-saving Canva templates, and monthly marketing guides designed for solopreneurs. Everything you need to create scroll-stopping on-brand content without spending hours designing. So if you're ready to finally feel confident in your visuals, check out Hotstock. I'll drop the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Now you've got a system for creating consistent graphics. But if you're not totally clear on your brand vibe yet, watch our video, How to Choose the Right Brand Aesthetic for Your Business. It's linked right here.